I'm Eric Lanesk here at the Cloud Expo down in the Javits Center in New York, and I'm talking now with Pankaj Mittal from Impetus. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me here.
Welcome. Tell me a little bit about Impetus to start.
Impetus provides product engineering and R&D services to ISVs and technology businesses. Particularly in a cloud space, we enable our customers to move from a on-premise model to SaaS model. The SaaS movement could be on a traditional IT infrastructure or could be on a cloud space. And we are pretty agnostic in terms of a cloud platform. It could be any cloud. It could be any type of cloud vendor, open source or a proprietary vendor, or somebody who is like top big five. So we are open for using any cloud platform there.
So the cloud per se isn't necessarily new. There have been sort of hosted and software as a service environments going around for a while, but really we're sort of seeing this next generation of the cloud environment. What's driving that?
I think the adoption of cloud is happening, one of course, because of the aggregation of demand. You know, it's much easier. The cost is the driving factor over there, and then second is, you know, you can utilize, you can innovate around cloud, which is basically an evolution in terms of technology, but it provides you devotionally benefit to the businesses. So I think people are trying to find new ways of doing their business. You know, it's no longer just a technology. You know, it's basically an operational evolution, where newer and newer model in terms of cost, in terms of paper use, in terms of, you know, earlier some of the workflows could not be done, or if they have to be done, they have to be done in a very costly manner. Nowadays, with this cloud technologies, and it is so easy for them to do it, and that's why people say that it is done at much less cost, and that's why the cloud penetration is happening. And I guess there is no stopping. People have learned that, you know, this is advantageous, and slowly and gradually they just keep on innovating and ensuring that it becomes more mainstream.
How long ago did you guys get into the cloud services?
I think to be very precise, around 3 years or so. We've been watching this space, and now we have our own offering. We have our own toolkit where people can move from a non-SaaS environment. Particularly if you have a Java application or a Ruby on Rails application, we can easily move from those to let's say a SaaS environment. So we have our toolkit. We call it iSaaS. So we have done a good amount of work in terms of enabling our customers to take advantage of a SaaS model as well as cloud.
Are you approaching your customers with the cloud idea, or are they coming to you?
I think it's both happening. Our customers, as I said, most of them are ISVs, and then they have compelling reason because the market, because the cloud has become a buzzword, SaaS has become a buzzword, one, and it becomes a necessity as well. So most of our customers are coming with the request that, you know, how should we do? How should we take advantage of this technology? And our value add to those customers are that this is how you can, we provide consulting first and then enable the engineering of their product to enable them to move to a SaaS model. So it's happening both ways, and in some cases, some of the customers who are not, so technology savvy or understanding the newer technology paradigm, we go to them, pitch them. This is what is happening. This is what they can do. I think it's happening both ways, and our customers are very happy that we come sometimes, come from our side that this is what you can do for your business.
How do you ensure that you mentioned earlier that you're sort of a cloud vendor agnostic. How do you ensure that?
Yeah, from our perspective, we can provide, because we are providing services in terms of product engineering, R&D to ISVs, right? So for us to be specific to a cloud doesn't make sense, because we have a variety of customers, they have different needs. So if we become fixed to a particular cloud vendor, our customer will not get the real value from us. So we'll keep on innovating or keep on exploring newer cloud vendors and providing this technology benefit to our customers.
How are you able to make sure that you don't become lean more towards one cloud provider versus another?
This is a business imperative for us, right? Because our business cannot run if we become agnostic. So it's a business imperative. It's a need for us to be very diverse in this technology use. because ultimately we want to use technology which provides benefit to our customers. So sometimes we don't choose technology or technology meaning the entire technology stack for our customers. We choose based on their needs, right? If the need says that they need there should be an open source vendor, then we go for open source vendor. So we analyze and then suggest them what could be the overall technology stack for cloud or maybe for SaaS or IaaS or PaaS.
What's the biggest question or concern that your customers come to you with when they're considering moving to a cloud model?
I think there are two major concerns. One is security, and second is interoperability. So vendor lock-in is a big concern, and I think for that, in my opinion, inter-cloud concept where you have some sort of a high-level abstraction on top of the cloud vendor makes ton of sense. Where where company like us can write applications in a manner which will run on any cloud. So tomorrow, even if we change the cloud vendor, the application should not be required to change. So this is the need, and these are the concerns people come to us. Security, interoperability, there are two major concerns.
Excellent. We're talking here at Cloud Expo with Impetus's Pankaj Mittal. Pankaj, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.